Hey guys, as we all know, iPhone SE2 will be arriving this year. Couple of months ago, this video was leaked on internet by a well-known leakster, Takara, and after that, a lot of leaks happened that the iPhone SE2 will look like iPhone 10. But couple of weeks ago, KGI confirms that iPhone SE2 will not be look like iPhone 10, and yesterday, new video by the same leakster clears everything that the iPhone SE2 will be look like older generation iPhone SE with a gloss back, making it more premium and possibly support for wireless charging. And on the bottom, here's the headphone jack, which is most useful feature. Maybe Apple realized that is the basic need for its customers, probably that's why it is returning with this iPhone SE2. On the front, here's the beautiful 4-inch compact design, which is one of my favorite design after iPhone 6 slim design, because iPhone 6 was my first iPhone I had ever used. Let's come back to the topic. iPhone SE2 will have an updated 5-megapixel front camera. On the back, here's a 12-megapixel main sensor from iPhone 7, Apple A10 Fusion chip also from iPhone 7, second generation Touch ID, and this glass element design. And also, this news is surrounding on internet that Apple will be unveiling iPhone SE2 at WWDC 2018. So yeah, pretty much everything is here about iPhone SE2. Now let's talk about pricing. The base model, which is 64GB, is expected to be priced at $399, and here is also a news of iPhone 10 successor or iPhone 10 2018. So please subscribe for that and let me know your thoughts about it in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys next one. See you soon.